Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial, and you can always come back in my channel to you can earn much more your cryptocurrency. Okay, right now today I want to share with you one Ethereum website. The Ethereum price is right now very high, and a lot of you recommended to I share with you one Ethereum website. Okay, this is one of the best Ethereum website right now. You can see this is the Ethereum price, and sign up is very easy, and this website paid this much Ethereum, and this much is value, and this much is the users to register in this website. Okay, and the sign up is very easy. Put your email address, password, and referral link, and the Ethereum wallet address. Just I click login because I have already account. Okay, now you can see I log in my account. It's very easy. You can choose the rolling. The rolling is the one of the best way you can earn your free Ethereum. Okay, and you can earn much more with the rolling. Okay, just I click verify and wait a few seconds. Okay, I solve again the captcha. Okay, I click motorcycle, just click roll number, and you can see I win this much Ethereum. And the next one is the multiple. You can click the multiple, and you can the multiple your amount. Earn as the investment. You can invest your Ethereum, and you can maybe earn much more, 8% of daily. And the lottery ticket, you can participate in the lottery ticket, and this is all winning peoples of the lottery ticket. The buy this much lottery tickets is the buy, and the minimum lottery ticket amount to buy this much. Okay, and you can be buy much more lottery ticket, and you can earn this much. Okay, and Blackjack, and you can invest your amount in here in Blackjack, but the minimum amount of the value is this much, but I didn't have this much, and I can participate in here. If I make this much, I participate one time in here. Okay, the next one is the referral. You can earn 50% of you 25% of your referral link, and this is your referral link, and if people come join this website with your referral link, you can earn 25% of your free earning. And the states and all earnings of the users and the earning. Okay, right now this is all my states, and I didn't earn too much. Okay, and you can withdraw your funds. The minimum withdrawal is this much. Okay, the maximum, the network fees is this much. No maximum withdrawal in here to show me, and this is my wallet address. You can edit your wallet address and put a new wallet address. This is the network fees, and you can withdraw your amount. Okay, and for deposit, the deposit, the limited least this much is the deposit. You can deposit in here, and you can contest to the users. This is a user account, and you can contest with your email, confirm with your email. Okay, and this is all about of this website. Every hour you maybe earn this much dollar every hour from this website. Okay, and thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.